All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model, this beautiful silver with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, roof racks, fog lights, front heated seats, navigation system, rear heated seats. Super nice, 40,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper looks fantastic. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread. It's under 7/32. I do see a dent here. No paint off, about an inch, 2 inches. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread here, which is over 7/32. And I want to look at this one more time. Double check it. Yeah, it's under 7/32. Is it a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like? I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 1-key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your Navi system. Your navigation system here. Boom. Your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Heated seats and heated steering. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument's custom looks. You see no lights on except for your tire pressure and your mileage of 40,828. Keep it moving. Got some buttons here. Open that up. Open that up. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears or rips. Likewise, on your third row, no holes, no tears or rips. Does have rear AC vents. Rear AC vents and rear AC controls. Alright, keep it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear trunk space looks very nice. These seats do fold in, just like it says. It is a stow and go. A little power button closes this lift gate. Of course, this looks good. Is your rear passenger quarter. Got a dent here, 3, 6. Got a dent, no paint off, about 6 inches. Is your rear driver's rim. Rear passenger rim, apologize. And your tire thread, over 7/32. Heavy scratch here, about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches, and another one here, about an inch. Now these rear seats do have heated. These rear seats are heated. It's got a little thing right there, as you can see it. All right, this is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Got a little power button here, closes that door. Got a dent here, see, about 2 to 3 inches right there. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks good, front passenger rim, and your tire thread under 7/32, above 4. Lights are working, car is on, fog lights look great. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 40,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.